Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Camry engine air filter. First, gather your tools, a new engine air filter, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Always ensure your engine is cool to the touch before starting. The air filter housing is usually a large black box located on the passenger side of the engine bay. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency, taking only about 10 to 15 minutes to complete. Now, let's access the filter. You will typically find 2 to 4 metal clips around the perimeter of the air filter housing. Unclip these. If there are any hoses or electrical connectors attached to the housing, carefully disconnect them to allow for easier access. Once all clips are released and connections are free, gently lift the top cover of the air filter box to reveal the old filter inside. With the housing open, you can now remove the old air filter. Notice how much dirt and debris it has collected. Take a moment to wipe out any leaves or large particles from inside the air filter box itself. Now, carefully insert your new, clean engine air filter. Make sure it sits perfectly flat within its tray, with no gaps around the edges, to ensure proper filtration. Finally, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully lower the top cover of the air filter housing back into place, ensuring it aligns correctly. Re-engage all 2 to 4 metal clips to secure the housing tightly. Don't forget to reconnect any hoses or electrical sensors you detached earlier. Perform a quick visual check to confirm everything is properly seated and secured before closing the hood.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.